Hi everyone, Sat here. So first of all, thanks so much for the support on the course. It's been released now. It's already had loads of downloads and it's even had some 5-star ratings. I really appreciate it. Thank you for everyone who's bought the course. If you're thinking about buying it, check it out. There's um, a discount code coupon below, and actually even before you use that discount code, check Udemy normally as well, because sometimes they have like flash sales and it's on ridiculously cheap, so even try that as well. So yeah, thank you so much for the support, and because of the support I'm going to release a new little mini series on AR Foundation. This was requested on the Udemy Q&A. It was the request was about scaling, more kind of advanced scaling. So I'm going to try and answer that as part of this little mini series. But along the way, I realize I'm going to actually have to kind of go into a little bit more depth of AR Foundation, and try things, a few different things that even I haven't tried with AR Foundation, and trying to explain some of that as well. And I think this is really interesting. So this is a AR Foundations basics and kind of overview, but I think a lot of people who are using AR Foundation probably won't even know some of this stuff because they haven't played around with it. I hadn't played around with it. I just, it's just one of those things you don't really get the opportunity sometimes because you're so busy. But I think this is going to be interesting. It'll give you a bit more of an understanding of how AR Foundation works. I'm learning too, by the way, in case you didn't know. So if there's anything you notice me do, let me know, and I can build off of that as well. So this is built because of the support of the course. So thank you for that. And I'm also going to be able to cover one or two questions that some of you guys have answered. So the next tutorial will probably cover this question here, about placing objects without like a plane or anything like that, because we're starting from the basics, and then we're going to work our way up to scaling, and maybe in between I'll be able to answer some other questions as well. Okay, so that's just a really quick introduction to what we're doing in this kind of mini series now about AR Foundation. Just to be a little bit more clear as well, I'm basically going to build an AR Foundation scene from scratch, rather than importing a scene in, which is what we do, which is what I've done in previous tutorials. I'm actually going to build it in from a completely blank project and add in all the little scripts to the scene, and by doing that we'll be able to see what the minimum amount is that we need, and maybe add in a few bonuses along the way as well, and then hopefully get to a point where we can look at scaling, the advanced aspects of scaling an object in Unity, in particularly in AR Foundation, and why that's so different to scaling in just regular Unity world space. Why is that different? Why do we need to do that? Because it's so important in augmented reality, not just AR Core, AR Kit, AR Foundation, or Euphoria, or whatever. It's really important in all kinds of augmented reality. So we're going to have a look at that in this little mini series. If you like the series and you want to support what I'm doing and support more of these YouTube videos, please leave a like and a comment, and share this video. I'd really appreciate that. And of course, if you're in a position where you want to look a little bit more in depth in AR Foundation and you have the finances, I know everyone doesn't, it's totally cool, then check out the course. I'll leave a link below with a coupon link, a discount code, but also check Udemy normally, because sometimes they have flash sales as well. So check that out too. But yeah, enjoy this little series, and I hope you will gain something from it.